Alright, you guys, I am in Marshall's. What do we have? Rice Serum by Spa Life. Brighten and Hydrate. Let's look. $7. Cooling Metal Applicator. This is the eye serum for $5. Vitamin C. Burst is good too. Again, I'm loving it. You guys hear me talk about it all the time. Loving how they're coming in boxes. I do. And then you just pull them out. Green tea. Oh, you know what? I thought I saw Skin Food. Yes, I have not seen Skin Food in Ulta, and that was like my go-to. $7 right here. Hydrating and firming skin. I'm just not a fan of fragrance. Like, I wish all skin stuff didn't have smells to it. But Skin Food, rice, and the egg one is not bad. $7. Strawberry food therapy. I love it. Then the egg white pore mask. Oh, here's the rice one. They changed it. Yeah, I like the rice one. The egg one. These are good. Yeah, so many new. Let's see this one. Have we seen this one? Daily Toner Pad by Needly. 17. I mean, we could look that up. Doesn't tell you much about it though. Well, it's in a different language. And this one. Anti-trouble pad. We have Clinique, tons of Clinique. 15. Mild soap. Extra mild, $12.99. Eye makeup remover, $12.99. Extra cream, mimicking the skin's components and structure for healthy skin barrier, $15. The cleansing foam, $8. Again, we can look that up. Black tea, time reverse eye cream, $12.99. Okay, that's new. I have to look that up too. There's Belief one, a large one. 10 hydrating all-in-one toner, calming moisture, a small one. Murad jelly cream. Beauty Bio. I've been seeing this around too. Oh, they're all covered up. But we have plenty of the snail collagen. Slug. I like how they call it slug cream. It's a moisturizer. Slugs. Is it made out of slugs?
Yeah,
does it tell us where the slugs come from?
Yeah,
it says made in the USA.
I don't want those cheap jelly slugs from, you know.
Okay, look it up. Future Wife. That's what it's called.
What are they called?
Future Wife. Yeah, I want the expensive slug. You can't find anything. Reviews?
5-star reviews, yeah.
5-star reviews. Alright.
Oh, it's like 4.7.
4.7. 4.7's good.
Everybody's like, just use Vaseline.
Oh, same thing as Vaseline. Alright,
So
yeah.
somebody said, yeah.
I could get it. I don't know, maybe. Okay, this one's 17. That's cute. On the back, charm. That's her.
Mm-hmm.
That's the mom. I didn't. That's Velma. $80. That's cute.
The one from Freaks and Geeks.
Michael Kors large one. Here's a
She's gonna play Jason tomorrow.
Heart Juicy. My husband's talking about Jason's show. What's it called? 25? Crystal Lake.
Linda Cardellini is gonna play Pam Voorhees.
These are all both Anne Klein, green and pink. These are 25. Alright, Steve Madden right here in Marshall's, $29.99. It's like a bowling bag and a star. I have it in black. You could detach it in yellow. Looks like True Religion, $35. And then, oh, this one's kind of cute.
I could go back up.
True Religion, $40. A lot of Steve Madden. Okay, yeah, these are the same handbags. Alright, you guys, I am in Burlington. Plenty of jewelry by Celebrity Pink. We got Nautica bangles. Looks like we're missing a lot of earrings off there. The Celebrity Pink. Hello Kitty. Stitch. Disney. Okay, I see the bow. I was like, what is that? But there we go. This one has the bear. Okay, that's kind of cute. That is $5.99. Celebrity Pink. And then more. These are from Justice. Okay. And then charms. Actually, there's plenty of Jessica. Normally we see Juicy, like tons of Juicy charms. Today, a lot of Jessica. These are $7.99. This one's kind of cute. Dahlia. This is 10. And there's just a little bit of Juicy, not as much though. Bag charms. It looks like these are bag charms. Let's say guess on it. Oh. More crosses. I feel like they're filling in with a lot of like charms and necklaces. They never have as much here. Let me go on this side. Oh, you know what? On these, you get the necklace. So, just gotta find, which we never find our letter. So. That's cute. These are 10. These are cute. Booty shorts. They're 14. The only thing about these shorts, if you really like shorty shorts, do not wear boy shorts like the underwear. We got the pink in here. These are $5. Oh, 5. Okay, I want to say this Juicy backpack's new. There's like 2 Juicy. We got a pink one. Comes with the charm. No bottle holder, so it's just like a backpack. Maybe a carry-on, $33. A sequence one I want to check out. This one has 2 water bottles on the side. I feel like you can use this as a diaper bag. It's really huge. $33. This is a huge one. 33 and 25. Pocket here, detachable strap, large thick one. I believe you get the large thick one, right? Yeah. Semi-thick. True Religion, $29.99. This is a new one. Here's the handles and the shoulder strap on top. That's a new one. It's kind of cute. I'm seeing something new and different. Steve Madden with the fringe. Yeah. See if I can find any more new items. $25. Steve Madden. You have the backpack, a Gus backpack. And it looks like everything over here is Steve Madden, okay. So Lucky one for 20, thick strap. Then it says the Lucky. 15. It's a Juicy one with charms. Okay, that one's new. I'm not sure if these are kids or not. See if we can find them somewhere else. These are 18. Juicy, Bright, Permanent Vacay. It's kind of like the same stuff. Bluey. It looks like they're bringing the back to school uniforms. $10.99 for this girl's dress. They have the polos too, with like the blinged out buttons, white and baby blue. These are $7. They have the skirt too, the beige one. And pants. Okay, yeah, back to school. Back to school you go. Which I felt is just odd to me. Also you can see they got all the red. Yeah. Blues. These are for little boys up here. These are $7, but they're quick dry, the athletic type of material. Then we get into regular t-shirts here. But they are filled in, so if you're just going back to like 6th grade or something, 5th grade, they're well stocked. And their price is $8, Calvin Klein. And you know, little kids, this is not bad for just like 5th graders and stuff, because you know what? My son, I just bought him shirts from Ross, like all these Quicksilver ones. But you know what's funny? Because they were like only $6, but kids ruin it. Like his shirt, someone would cut his shirt like in the back.
Scissors and chop his shirts up.
So like little kids are unpredictable. But that was only $7 for that Tommy one. So much variety to choose from. On little kids, I wouldn't spend a fortune. This queen, $18.99. The sheet set, that is a 6-piece. This blue one with the bows, $18.99. More bows, that's for twin extra. Juicy blue, that's cute. Windy, $49.99. That's really cute, actually. That's a cute one. This juicy one. And they got purple down here. Nanette Lepore. Now we know we've been seeing a lot of the satin. 50, and there's that blue one closer. That's by Wendy, okay. The Dahlia, kind of like a new print, but it feels like this will get scratchy. $49.99. If you want a Mickey ice mold, they got it for you. They're $5.99. Popsicle stick mold. Thankful, grateful, blessed. It is well within my soul. Okay. A lot of Bratz at $12.99. Hello Kitty's $10. Yeah, Hello Kitty, Bratz, shoes. Is there any other wall art? No. There is not as much, and even in home decor in this location. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Look at all the giraffes. That's funny. Okay, tons of juicy wedges. These are 20. Alright, 20. And this is 15.